You know, I used to have a gig at one of those desperados, but everything bad seems to happen at once. Your wife comes home angry because some jack-off in a leather jacket and running around in his underwear, and his cat insults her. You lose your job because, well, you don't wash your hands, and, it's a skin condition. What am I supposed to do? Besides the point, welcome to the Goblin Goza. I'm your host, Hodge the Hob, and today we're going to be making the Druid's Grove. Retirement. Probably gonna get divorced. Yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe and visit the blog for more recipes. Herbaceous.